Oh my god. Did you notice the difference in sounds? I was trying out the sounds on the keyboards I've been using for the last 2 to 5 years, and I never knew that the sounds of the keys would matter so much to some users. I, for example, never listen to the sound of the keys, but my son does, and he swears that the K68 mechanical keyboard beats everything else. Is that really so? Let me try the sounds once again. That's my cheap wireless keyboard that I use with my laptop. This is another wireless keyboard that I use with another computer. They all sound the same to me. And this here is the K68 mechanical keyboard from ZU Lang. Let's listen to it once again. After listening to it for about 2 minutes, I must say, it does sound a bit appealing. Maybe there is something to a mechanical keyboard that I've never really thought about. So was this something I've been missing all along in my life? A mechanical keyboard does not use the typical membranes that you find under the keys. It uses, as the name implies, a mechanical switch underneath. So with the ZU Lang K68 keyboard, which supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, as I'm told, it uses batteries, so AAA batteries, 2 of them, as you can see. It's not rechargeable. It comes with a dongle, which I've plugged into my computer right now. It also comes with a key puller, and that is the key puller. And you use it, or let's put it this way, you don't use it. I, as a normal keyboard user, do not have to use it, but a keyboard enthusiast would use the key puller to pluck out keys from the keyboard. And as I have been shown by my son, you have to be quite ruthless at it. You stab the keyboard with the key puller like that and pull it out to expose the switch. So that's the key there, which I've extracted, and that's a switch over there, the mechanical switch. And to put the key back, just put it back like this, push, and the key sits there. Now let's try pulling out a bigger key. The spacebar locks in place like that, and pull. There you go. And that's the mechanical switch in the middle with 2 supports, one on either side, to maintain the alignment of the spacebar. Let me try pushing that switch myself. Yeah, you get a very satisfying feeling. You can do half presses with this sort of mechanical switch, which you cannot with a normal keyboard, which has got a membrane underneath. But here you can adjust the pressure on the key the way you want. And now I understand why mechanical keyboards are important for some people. And before I get any further, let's put the spacebar back the way it was. Have to be careful. Keep it there. Press. I hope that's in position. So let's check out the sounds once again. Backspace. It's quite satisfying indeed. So, what's my opinion about the K68 mechanical keyboard? To a keyboard enthusiast, it does make a difference. My son even tells me he can adjust the sound, he can improve the sound by filling the cavity inside the keyboard with foam or some other sound deadening substance, which to me doesn't make much sense because, I don't care what sound the keyboard makes. But like I said, enthusiasts are different. So there's the K68 mechanical keyboard for you. It's pretty neat, it's compact, it's not exactly light. You could say it is a bit bulky in the thickness department, but it is a nice keyboard. I must say, I kind of like it. Does that mean I'll do away with my existing keyboards after this? I'm not sure. But again, typing away on this smart little keyboard, I just might. The feeling kind of grows on you.